Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now let me discuss about fast nearest neighbor search using keyword. Now let me discuss about abstract. Today many modern applications call for novel forms of queries that aim to find the object that satisfying both spatial predicate and predicate on their association text. For example, instead of considering all restaurants, a nearest neighbor query would instead ask for the restaurant that is the closest among those whose menus contain steak, spaghetti, brandy, all that same time. Currently, the best solution to such queries is based on IR square tree, which, as shown in this paper, has few deficiencies that seriously impact its efficiency. Motivated by this, we developed a new access method called spatial inverted index that extends the conventional inverted index to cope with multidimensional data and comes with algorithm that can answer nearest neighbor queries with keywords in real time. As verified by experiments in proposed technique outperform the IR square tree in query response time significantly, often by factor of order of magnitude. Now let me discuss about data flow diagram. In data flow diagram, in load dataset module, we have to perform the data loading and preprocessing. In data loading and preprocessing, the garbage value should be eliminated and we have to find out the inverted list for the spatial objects. Then we have to construct the OR tree depends upon the inverted list. Finally, the similar query points are merged and finally we can get the nearest neighbor query answers. Now let me run our process. First of all, we have to run the data selection frame. Initially, the hotel dataset is selected and display the hotel dataset contents. Then we have to perform the pre-processing. In pre-processing step, the garbage value should be eliminated and display the pre-processed data. This dataset contain hotel. These are food items, item 1, item 2, item 3 until item 6. This is the category of the hotel. Now click the user menu. We have to select the multi keywords, multi food items and select the category of the hotel. User select the items, click get menu and find the hotels present in the items. we have to find out the inverter list for given input query. Next, we have to load the inverter list into table. Next, we have to find out the query points. In this way, we have to find out the frequency of occurrence of hotel. The query points are obtained. This is the frequency count of hotel. Next, we have to construct the org tree. This is the high frequent item. This is the low frequent item. Next, we have to find out the nearest neighbor for given query. Thank you.